Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to G-Force Records. This is Studio C, your first stop of your 2-hour walking tour. Please make sure to step all the way forward up to the silver handrails in front of you. All the way forward up to the silver handrails in front of you, please. If not, all the way across towards the left-hand side, filling all the available space. As a request to the band, there's no flash photography, and for your safety, there's no sitting, standing, climbing, or stage diving off the handrails. Well, once again, we ask that you please do not stop in the middle of the studio and continue to move all the way across towards the left-hand side and all the way forward, filling all the available space. No flash photography and no sitting on the handrails. Thank you.
Wow, all right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
What are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Is send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you. Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, since the tour here has been cut short, congratulations on getting those backstage passes. Please continue making your way down the alleyway. Quickly.
Que se cierre con un clic. Mantenga la cabeza contra el reposacabezas y permanezca sentado con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Coloque cualquier artículo.
This is Bill St. James broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in LA is headed to the show, so if you're stuck out there on the freeway, just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.